So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Klarna to Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings, and your settings once you go to Shopify will be all the way down here. So click on settings. Next step will be to check out this left hand side, and you will need to find the option for payments. So you can see billing, users, payments, checkout, and many more options on that. So let's go to payments. Once you go to payments, you can see here activate PayPal. You can add a payment method. You can choose a provider as well. Once you select a plan you want to use, automatically a checkout, manual payment method, stuff like that. So on here, you can click on add a payment method. You can search by payment method, search by provider. So you can go ahead and type in Klarna. So you can see under other options, click on that. And from here, you can see 10 providers offer this payment method. So ping pong checkout, you can see frisbee payments, high pay payments, Klarna, and stuff like that. So these are all sort of apps which will give you the option to, through them, add a Klarna payment method for your Shopify website. So if you choose one of those, so let's choose this one. You can see about ping pong checkout, global payment service provider, and you can click on install, or you can even contact provider if you need some more information. If you click on install, this extension or app will start installing to your Shopify store. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.